This is Mark the Tech again from Computer Express with another simple task. We don't want to pay people to take the trash out for us, do we now? When we can easily do it ourselves. So just follow along with these easy steps. Our first step is to left click on the start button. Navigate over to run. And we'll be left clicking on run. In the open box here, we will type in percentage TEMP percentage. We will hit OK. And you will get a box with all the trash. All unnecessary trash will be in this window. Okay, to empty the trash out, there are two ways of doing this. One of which we can use shortcut keys, of course, or we can just click on the very top folder, scroll down to the very bottom, hold down the shift key, and select it all. Then right click with the mouse anywhere in the area, navigate down to where it says delete, and if there are some files that it can't delete, it's because the files are being used. And as you can see here, this is a cam record file, so it can't delete that because it is being used right now by myself. Alright, so we will skip this one, skip the next one, or we can click the box that says do this for all current items, and then that will skip just everything in general. Okay, so it's done deleting everything that we did not need. So that, my friends, will help speed up your computer. Then we will click out of the box and we're done. So it's that simple to keep your computer clean on a daily basis. So this will help your computer run very, very quickly. It'll also free up trash from your hard drive, and I know that in the future it'll help you save money as well. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to remove trash from Windows 10. Alright, take care everyone. Mark out.